Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Descript captions for cleaner auto-transcription in US English. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Descript project. Locate the video or audio file you want to edit. Click on the transcription panel to access the current captions. Review the auto-generated captions for accuracy. Use the timeline to identify any sections that require edits. Click on a caption to edit it directly. Make necessary adjustments to spelling or grammar. If a word is incorrect, simply type the correct version. For cleaner captions, prefer shorter phrases where possible. Highlight any slang or technical terms that might need clarification. Adjust the timing of captions if they appear too late or too early. To change timing, drag the edges of the caption block on the timeline. Consider using Descript's AI features to assist with corrections. Select the option to train the AI if common errors occur. Once edits are made, review the entire transcription for flow. Listen to the audio while reading through the captions to ensure accuracy. After finalizing your edits, click Save to store the changes. Export the captions by selecting the desired format. Check your exported file to verify the formatting is correct. Now your captions are updated for cleaner auto-transcription in US English. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.